let's start with the sun because that's astrological. And not only is it useful in this period of time, which is, what's happening in the world, the pandemic, but also what's happening astrologically where the sun has moved. So I just have my trusty calendar, which everyone should have, by the way. And the sun moved into Aries on the 13th of April. And on that day, Dr. Pillai made a couple videos actually to talk to us more about what that means and what we should be doing. So the sun represents the father. It represents leadership. It represents bringing health, bringing light into your life. So we're starting with the sun because we need the sun to live. It's the source of our life on earth. And because right now with the sun in Aries, which is the first house of the zodiac, it's the new year, and that's a place where he's exalted. He's happy, means he can give more energy, more blessings in this place. Is an ideal time to talk to the sun, to tap into the sun. How are ways we can do that? Well, for one, the sun salutation. If you do yoga, this is the best time to do sun salutation every day. Specifically at sunrise would be even more powerful. If you're not into yoga, you can still do the sun salutation. You could do just a few poses. The other is to chant the Gayatri mantra, which Dr. Pillai gave us in a video. And of course, there's versions of that on YouTube that you can have totally free. So you want to look up Dr. Pillai's Gayatri mantra. In fact, someone might be posting it in our chat link now. And you'll want to chant this all day, any time of day. But if you can do it specifically at sunrise and at sunset, it feeds even more powerful because that's when the sun is transitioning. And so when the sun is transitioning from rising and setting in our day, it has even more energy for us, more power for us. So now we talk about power times a lot in Pillai Center, and how when we do something at a certain time, it makes it even more bountiful, more powerful. So sunrise, sunset, Gayatri mantra, do the sun salutation, yoga if you can, any time of the day, but specifically at sunrise would be even better. And there's a prayer that Dr. Pillai gave us many years ago, and so I'll paraphrase it when you're speaking to the sun. And he said, so when the sun is rising, you can go see it, go greet it, and pray to the sun. Sun, you have so much light, so much power. Please fill my body, my mind, my soul with your light. Clear me out, purify me, and bring me the light body. So what is this prayer doing? It's bring the sun's energy power into your mind. It's kind of always going, your body, which needs cleansing, and your soul, which needs to be more uplifted as much as possible. Excuse me, it's never happened before on a live. Excuse me. So the sun is bringing us the ability, and then the light body, filling us with light so that we have no disease, no depression, right? The sun can give us all of those things. So that's the sun. On your viewing page, there's also a program called Awaken with the Sun. Now, on each of these archetypes that I'm covering today, I'm going to give you the starter, like this is how you can get started. And then if this particular archetype or being really speaks to you, you can go a little deeper and purchase the course that Dr. Pillai has done specifically about this archetype or this planet or this being. And so it's called Awaken with the Sun, and it's on the page where you might be viewing this. And it's specifically created for when the sun moves into Aries. So that's why it's a really powerful course to do at this very time. And he talks about the Gayatri mantra, what it means. He does the mantra, the meditation, you get all of that. So you can go check that out if that's something you're interested in doing.